take off that mask and... Hey, did you get a new outfit? Blowout sale at the Bad Guy Long John Emporium?
The worst part about every new dimension is hearing the same tired jokes over and over. When we're done gathering the ISO 8, we're going to shut your mouth for good.
New dimension? ISO 8? Have you been sampling your granddad's cough medicine again?
Playtime is over, webhead. The Sinister Six will make sure of it.